Hello and welcome. COY, our little 16 valve, is now almost ready to go to the paint shop. First, I had to remove the rear quarter vent, which requires the interior trim to be removed, allowing access to the centre 10mm nut. When the nut is removed, you can ease the vent off. It's fixed top and bottom with pins into rubber bungs, or at least it should be. The top of this one was glued on. COY had a plastic bonnet, so I bought a rust-free metal replacement. Of course it wasn't rust-free, so I'd made two plates, bolted them in position, and then welded them around all the edges. The last job was to weld a little plate behind the Japanese wing cover location. The body shop can tidy that up. And then up on a trailer and off to the body shop. Through the magic of YouTube, the car has been painted. Rick and Lee at Charisma in Southport have done a great job. So it's back to the workshop and start building the car up again. More news on this soon, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.